Hello guys, welcome to 7Boards YouTube channel, and today I will show you how you can use Detailed SEO Extension to check your technical implementation of your website, like meta title, description, and etc. So first head to the Chrome Web Store. If you want to install the Detailed SEO Extension, as you can see, head to Chrome Web Store and install it from there. You can search for Detailed like this. You can add to Chrome and you have to pin it like I have done it here. Okay, so after you have installed Detailed SEO Extension, what you need to do, you need to come to your web page or website where you want to analyze your page. So I want to analyze this page, 7boards.com/academy. So I know there are many SEO extensions out there, like uh, SEO Meta One Click or something like that. So why I'm recommending Detailed SEO Extension, there is a very important metric here, as you can see, that is word count. It's really great to have a word count, so you can analyze your competitors content. If you have a web page or a landing page or a service page, or your competitor has a same landing page, if they rank higher, or you want to analyze their content and length and etc., so that things comes a lot handy. Okay, so as you can see, I'm going to show you some features of the Detailed SEO Extension. Okay, first you can see here, you can see the title and description, URL, canonical URL, robot tags, um, H1s, word count, also image and links also. Okay, also you can check the robot.txt and the sitemap from here. Okay, that's very handy. You can check your headings for the pages from here, like H1, H2, and etc., as structured in the web page. Okay, then comes the links. You can check out the links from here, the images, and the schema for the pages. And the best thing is, this extension is totally free, free of cost and everything. And I was using it for like 1.5 year, and it's working like a charm. So check it out and let us know in the comment below uh, if you like it. Okay, so that will be for this video. Thank you.